It has a 600 horsepower turbo diesel engine, 4-wheel drive, 10 wheels, 7 layers of impact-resistant armor, 5 layers of bullet-resistant glass, hydraulic windskirts, hydraulic anchoring spikes, and 100% nerve to drive it. Tested in EF5 strength wind speeds behind a jet engine, TIV 2 has survived an EF4 tornado. This is the 2021 Tornado Intercept Vehicle. Purchased by IMAX crew member Ryan Shepard, restored by James Breitenbach at Truesdale Parts, is now featured on live Storm Chasers as it undertakes Tornado Alley. Follow us on A Storm of Passion.